Hello friends, welcome to my video blog on white-rumped munia, Loncura striata. White-rumped munia is distributed widely across Southeast Asia, namely into India, Myanmar, China, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia and parts of Taiwan. Also, the distribution is seen in the Himalayan states of Nepal and Bhutan. White-rumped munias are sometimes seen hybridized with scaly-breasted munias. There are 7 subspecies of white-rumped munia. Loncura striata acuticauda is distributed in India. Loncura striata is distributed in peninsular India and Sri Lanka. Loncura striata fumigata is restricted to Andaman Islands. Loncura striata semistriata is distributed in Nicobar Island and Loncura striata swinhoi is distributed in Southeast China to Vietnam, Hainan, Taiwan. Also in Ryukyu, where it is perhaps a natural colonist. Loncura striata subscrimicolis is distributed in South Peninsular Thailand and Malay Peninsula to Indochina. Loncura striata expleta is distributed sporadically but common on Sumatra and Bangka Island. Habitat of white-rumped munia is dry open grassland to shrubby open country, forest age, weedy clearings, thickets, plantations, clearings with bushes, village gardens, rice fields. In India, mainly below 1200 meters, moving upslope in summer to 2500 meters. To the mountain summits above 2000 meters in peninsular Malaysia. Diet of white-rumped munias: grass seed, mainly rice, also of other grasses, bamboo and sedge, also seeds from casuarina cones, also takes filamentous green algae from shallow water, takes seeds both from stem and fallen on the ground, also near tops of bamboo. Feeds on seeds from casuarina cones high in trees. Social, usually in small groups of 6 to 20 individuals, sometimes in larger flocks, occasionally in pairs. Let's learn about the breeding habits of white Rambunia. In India, nearly all year the breeding season is prolonged, but the activities mainly takes place in from February to September in Thailand, and all year mainly from January to August. However, in Malay Peninsula, the peak of nesting activity is coincided with the periods of ripening rice. Male crouches, legs bent, belly and neck feathers ruffled, tail spread and held higher than body. Approaches female as he pivots from side to side. In display, he twists from side to side, bouncing up and down at the end. In higher intensity courtship, he perches upright, erects body feathers more fully, raises head, sings with open bill, and faces female. Male brings nesting material and female places it into nest in untidy ball of a coarse grass stem and grass heads, also leaves of bamboo lined with fine grass and other fibers, sighted 1.5 to 8 meters above in bush or tree, which is often in garden or in grass, often built in existing cavity. Adult defends area of 1 meter around the nest. Clutch could be from 3 to 6 eggs. Larger clutches to 10 eggs are also seen. In captivity, incubation period is 14 days. Nestlings' skin are pinked naked or with some down gape white or oral surface black, pellet yellow with U-shaped curved bar and two small spots behind it. Ring around the tongue. Conservation status of the white Rambunia. It is not globally threatened and common to locally uncommon in some parts of the range. Locally common in Indian subcontinent, in China. Common throughout Southeast Asia, local in Singapore, locally common to scarce in Sumatra and Bangka. In Singapore, it was formerly common and widespread, but numbers greatly reduced and now found in only few wooded areas and cultivation. Worthwhile. In India, often trapped and then purchased for subsequent release as a part of religious or superstitious practices. Very widespread in captivity, where it is domesticated strains known by various names like Bengalese finch, Bengali or society finch.